Hey guys, how are you all doing today? Today, I'll be showing the tutorial for Big Boo's Haunt, Sinking Sandland, and Lethal Lava Land. First, we'll see the clips, and then afterwards we'll break into a bit more detail. I'll see you guys shortly as we're doing 2 stars at Big Boo's Haunt now.
Let's go! Let's go! Here we go!
So that was the 2 stars to Big Boo's Haunt. First, make your way up to there. Unlike majority of the levels, you have to kill a boo to spawn a cage to enter. Go ahead and come next to the boo and just ground pound. Do 2 long jumps and make your way towards the front door. Once you're in, do a double jump walk kick off the wall. Yes, if you'd rather, you can do a triple jump walk kick or a side jump walk kick. Now that you're up, make your way through the door. Come over here and do a side jump walk kick. If you're having troubles do it from this angle, you can jump up on the platform up here to give you a hand. Now that you're in, make your way towards the door. Once you go through, you'll see a big old spooky boo. All you have to do is stand close to him and ground pound 3 times. This should kill him and drop a star. Go ahead and long jump to this platform and then long jump back to the middle. Keep in mind, if you're struggling with the 2 long jumps, you can just do sealer kicks up this slope. Go ahead and grab the star that spawned. Go through the dialogue, save and continue. Now go ahead and re-enter the level. Same thing as we did last time, long jump twice towards the door. But this time you want to do a side kick off the door where you just came from up onto this platform. If you can't get this movement down, I'd recommend you come to this room and then do a side jump walk kick up. At this point I do a side jump and dive at the peak of the jump. However, if you want to, you can do a double jump kick over. Go ahead and pick up the star. That was the round of Big Boo's Haunt. Next, I'll be showing you how we catch MIPS and also the pathing for Sinking Sandland. I'll let the clip roll and then we'll go through it afterwards.
Here we go! Woo! Let's go! Here we go! Let's go! Here we go! Let's go!
That was Mips and the 3 stars at Shifting Sandland. I know a couple of the tricks there were a little difficult, but I feel like with a bit of practice it's not too hard. However, I will show you an easier method to collect those stars if you want to. Perform 3 long jumps. With the 3rd long jump it may be worth pulling the analog stick just a little bit back so you don't bonk on the wall. Go through the doorway and then make your way through the other doorway as well. Make your way across here by either long jumping or jump diving, and then do 3 well-timed dives. If you do this correctly, you should fall into Mips. Go ahead and pick up the star he drops. An important note is I accidentally did a backflip here, just do a jumped ground pound instead. If for some reason you failed to grab Mips, there's 2 backups. The first one is next to Sinking Sandland. If you dive in this location, you should pick him up as he tries to run away. The other is a safer and easier option. Come up to the top, do a dive down the slope slowly, and then pick up Mips as he tries to run past. Go around here and long jump into the wall to enter the level. As soon as you enter, press C left and C down. This will set you up in the perfect angle. Here, all you have to do is hold left on your analog stick and then perform a triple jump. At the peak of the jump, jump dive over the hill. As you land, try to perform your double jump and your triple jump up to the star, making sure to dive if necessary. However, if you fail the jump, you can easily fix it up. First, position yourself similar to where you spawned. Now all you want to do is just do a normal triple jump, but make sure your double jump is just at the base of the cliff. If it touches the slope, you'll slide back and you'll have to redo it again. If it's too far away, you won't make enough height to go over the hill. This is all up what it should look like. If even the triple jump's too hard, you can grab the box and just jump over. Just go up behind the box, go into Mario Cam, position yourself, and then press B. If you also don't make the jump on your first try, you can silly kick up or triple jump up. Take extreme caution not to fall in this gap when doing the triple jump. This is the biggest time loss in the entire game, as you have to exit the level and then run all the way back down again. Now with all that out of the way, on to the next star. All you have to do is hold your stick forward and do a double jump dive over the hill. If you want, you don't have to do the dive, but it feels a lot more fluid and a bit faster. Using the momentum you just gained, make your way to the tower. Make sure you approach to the right. If you approach to the left, you'll aggro the shy guy and he'll come straight towards you, thus making you fail the jump. This long jump can be a little weird. You want to do a long jump and pull back just a little so you land directly on the flying shy guy. Go ahead and tap the bird to make him drop the star. At this point, you want to keep pressing A to give yourself a little bit of distance. Your goal is to land just a little bit over the ledge so you don't land on the slope. However, if you do, it's okay, the fire will push you back over. Make your way to the side of the pyramid and use the wall of the pyramid to ramp off into the star. There are 2 important notes to make. 1, if you fail the jump, you can head back to the pillar, long jump over, and head to this pillar over here and wait for the bird to come around. The second is if you don't feel confident with this jump, you can repeat the same jump we did last time, but instead head over to the pillar over here. Now with that, we're on to the last star in Shifting Sandland. Once again, just re-enter the level. This time you want to make your way to the side over here. You want to perform a triple jump up onto this ledge. If you're having troubles getting this triple jump off, you can come to the side here and just do a side jump up. Once you've done this, break the box, grab the green shell. An important note to make is keep your finger away from the Z trigger. If you hit the Z trigger, the shell will break and you'll fall where you are. Your goal is to go directly in the middle of the pillar. If you're not directly in the middle, it won't trigger and the pyramid won't open up. Follow the movement to go around to all the pillars. Do jumps in between to keep your momentum. Once you've been to all 4, the top of the pyramid will come off. Be very careful up this slope, because if you hit the ledge, your shell will break and you will fall into the sand and die. Wait for the top to come off, and then hop into the hole in the middle. Walk to the side to the right just a little and then long jump over as fast as possible. The reason why I recommend to move to the right is because if you long jump too early, you'll bonk onto the wall. If this happens and you fall down, the best way to reset is to just die. You'll spawn back to just where you were. That was the 3 stars in Shifting Sandland. Next is Lethal Lava Land. We'll play the clip first, and then we'll go through it afterwards and go through it in a bit more detail.
Let's go! Here we go! 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 Let's go! Here we go!
So that routing was for Lethal Lava Land. The movements in that level was a little tight, but with a bit of practice, you'll be able to get it with relative ease. First, make your way to the painting. Once you spawn, hit C right twice to correct your angle. Long jump over, grab the cap, and make your way back to where you started. Cross the bridge, and then triple jump up onto the platform over the fence. If you want, you can just tap the top of the fence and bounce over on top of the star. If you don't feel confident with this, of course you can just go over and ground pound. Another important note is if you fail the triple jump, just jump on top of the platform and then do it separately at the top. Go through the dialogue, re-enter the level. Hit C right once so you're facing the puzzle. Long jump into the fire. Once you land on the bridge, long jump onto the puzzle. Do some well-timed dives over the puzzle, collect all the red coins, and grab the star. Go through the whole boring save and continue, and then re-enter the level. Long jump into the fire, land on the cage, and then long jump again onto the wooden pit. You may need to hold onto Z once you land to jump dive over the platform. Do a jump dive over, with 2 more long jumps making it to the end. It's worth noting that you might want to let your analog stick go neutral for a bit, so you lose a bit of momentum. This is because you'll overshoot it if you're not careful. Walk up to the bomb, side jump, and ground pound. If you time this well, this will push the bomb off and spawn the star. From here, you can perform a triple jump dive at the end of the platform to head to the star. If you're having troubles getting it all in one fluid go, feel free to stand on the platform, get a good run up, and then long jump over. Great job, now we're going to copy that movement to get to the little bullies. Go through the dialogue, re-enter. Continue your movement similar to the bully star just beforehand. 2 long jumps, a dive, and another 2 long jumps. However, when you get to the last wooden plank, you want to long jump to the right and land on the moving cage to long jump again onto the platform at the end. Grab the coin at the bottom to grab aggro of all the bombs, walk down and kick them all off. If you can do this correctly, you'll be able to kick them all off in one go, but this requires good timing. Last, a big bomb will spawn. Go to the middle and do a side jump ground pound as high as possible, facing the top side of the platform. This should push him to the edge of the cliff. Go ahead and just kick him off. Once you've knocked him off, long jump to the left side of the coins and pick up the star. Go through all the dialogue and then we'll start the volcano stars. You want to follow similar movements, however, after the second long jump, you want to go onto the middle of the platform and then long jump to the volcano. All you need to do is just jump into the fire in front of you, hold onto up, and then land on the platform. Let the platform take you along until you see a pole and then just jump into the pole. Climb up the pole a bit and then do a jump from the pole on the platform up to the next pole. Climb to the top of the pole and then hold up left and then do a jump dive and you can make your way straight to the platform. You should automatically pick up the star once you land. Go through the dialogue so we can enter the volcano again and collect the last star. Once you're in, follow the exact same movement we did earlier to enter the volcano. Now you want to perform some precise jumps to make your way to the top of the volcano. As you make your way up, you'll see the wall collapses. Just do a side jump and jump over. Slowly do careful jumps up these platforms, and jump dive at the top, attempting to bounce over the file. If you don't, that's all good. Jump from pole to pole until you get to the top, and then jump dive over. Go ahead and collect your last well-deserved star. And congratulations, that was it for Lethal Lava Land. 70 stars in an easy category to run, so you guys are doing an amazing job. Practice the level and I'll see you guys at Dire Docks and Bowser 2.